Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to change your WordPress admin username. You may have set up your account quickly or your username no longer fits. Whatever the reason, you are here to make a change and I'm here to help. Let's dive in and sort out your WordPress username. From your dashboard, go to Users and select Add New User. This is where you will set a new username and password to log into your WordPress dashboard. First, type your new desired username. Just for fun, I will enter WordPress. Next, enter your email address. These two fields are required, so you must complete them. You can generate a new password or enter the one you already have in mind. For this example, I will enter tutorial 30-2024 as this is my 30th tutorial on this channel. From the drop-down menu, change the role from subscriber to administrator. This will enable you to have the admin access. This is very important, so don't skip this step. After you change it to administrator, click the Add New User button. A new page with a list of all users will open. If you hover over the first one, you cannot delete it, but you can delete the newest one. Why? You must log out first and then log in with your newly created username and password. Also, in the upper right corner, besides Howdy, your current username is still here. In my case, it's Alec. The same username is also used as the author name of all my blog posts. So, to change your admin username, log out of your account. Enter your newly created username and password to log in. When you're in, go to Users and select All Users. Because I logged in with my new username, it will be visible in the upper right corner and cannot be deleted. You can now delete or leave the previous one as it is. If you decide to delete it, you will be asked if you want to delete all the content from that user or attribute it to the newly created user. As I don't want to lose all my published posts, I will select the second option and click on Confirm Deletion. Now you have only one administrator and you will use the newly created username and password to log in to your WordPress dashboard. If I go to my blog page and reload it, the author's name will change to the new one. And that would be all for this tutorial. Now you know the exact steps for changing your WordPress admin username. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button below. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel to stay updated on future tutorials. This will also make it easier for others to find this video and this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.